Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Notes app gone on iPhone. So we all know that the Notes app is a default installed app over on everyone's iPhone. However, for some reason, sometimes that Notes app is just not there over on your iPhone, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So we can see right now that here over on my iPhone there's no Notes app, and when I type in Notes, we can literally see that Notes is just not popping up. The actual Notes app is just not showing at all. So in order to fix this, it's really easy. And that is because even though the Notes app isn't defaultly installed iPhone app, you can still delete those defaultly installed iPhone apps. And to reinstall them, it's also really easy. So what probably happened is that you accidentally uninstalled the Notes app without you knowing, and now you just can't find it. Luckily, literally all you need to do is open the App Store, literally just like this, and click on search. And literally all you need to do is type in Notes, just like this, and it should literally just be the first result. As you guys can see right here, it's going to take a second to load, and we can see right here that the Notes app is the first app that pops up. Make sure that you do get an actual Notes app and not some other copy, so make sure to always search for this one with the iconic yellow white. And then literally all you need to do is click on that little cloud icon, because you've probably already installed it at some point in your iPhone. So yeah, just click on that, and then it will literally just say open, and then your Notes app will be there again over on your iPhone. You can also sync it with your iCloud, as you guys can see right here. So that's how you can see if the Notes app is gone from your iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.